the most important part of radioaerosol imaging and in the product is the actual nebulizer. The Venti-Scan and the Aerotech use what they call a jet splash nebulizer. So you can see here that once compressed gas, which is oxygen, is placed upon it, what it does is it rattles the baffle here. And that baffle will create small particles, and only the smallest particles will be able to leave the jet splash and the nebulizer and get towards the patient. If the particle is too large, it's going to spit it back into the liquid and see if it can get re-nebulized, and then go through. So again, you do want to complete the study when the DTPA is completed, because it's re-nebulizing any excess liquid that doesn't get to the patient. So even if you have to coach them to breathe a little bit longer, you really want to make sure you wait until you hear that gurgling sound, if at all possible, and that would indicate that the nebulizer has nebulized all of the liquid or DTPA that is in the bowl.